Hi everybody and welcome to the channel. Hey, today I'd like to share with you something very cool. Vario has sent me out today, and I want to thank Vario for sending these watch travel cases along and some Italian leather straps I want to share with you also. If you recall, I've had some Vario products on my channel before. I've done some other videos on the Art Deco watch and some G-shhock adapters, which are absolutely awesome, and I'm going to put links to those videos up in the description below. Yeah, he has so many items on his website. He has some awesome watches, very nice watches, straps, bands, one-piece NATOs, ballistic nylon, of course the G-shhock adapters. He's got silicone straps, Apple Watch straps, Harris tweed straps, on and on, some tools, very nice accessories. And these here are in the accessories section on his website, so you want to be sure to check those out. One thing I like about Vario is your satisfaction is guaranteed on everything they sell. And these guys are about 20 buckaroonies. They are super strong, super sturdy construction, great zipper and stitching on these guys. It has the Vario tag and a very nice Vario logo. If you can see that V there on the zipper. These come in a variety of colors. I think they come in like, well, this is the denim blue, and this is the deluxe ash gray, which I really like both these. I think there's mahogany brown and onyx black. So be sure to check them out. They're all beautiful cases. This case here, I gotta tell you again how sturdy they are. I'm heading to Boston this weekend. I think I'm gonna take it with just a tough inner, and let's open these up so you can take a look at them. There, I have a watch in there right now, a watch with a Vario Italian leather strap on. We'll get to those in a bit. I wanted to show you can put also an extra strap if you want to change out your strap while you're traveling. Nice area for another strap. This has the nice pocket for carrying things, has a really soft foam inside to protect your watch from shock absorption, gives shock absorption to your watch. Nice spot for your watch, plenty of room, and again, super sturdy. In the other case I have here, you can store, just an example of some stuff you can store. I have some headphones in here, and I put a flash drive in here. You can throw a little flash drive for your computer. Super nice storage. Can't say enough about these watch cases and how sturdy they are. The great thing to take on a vacation, on a journey. Very nice indeed. Highly recommend these guys. They're going with me on all my trips, that's for sure. Also, he has sent out some Italian leather straps. So these guys are so soft on the wrist. They have a really nice, I'm not even sure what you call this. It's a very, it's not suede, but a super soft leather on the back. Has the Vario logo, great stitching, and this is the blue Italian leather. You can check out all the colors on his website. Vario logo on the polished hardware. Nice keepers. Just a great genuine Italian leather strap. All his products are really nice. I've always enjoyed his products, and he sent me these out to share with you. Again, there you go. Genuine Italian leather, Vario, great stitching. Vario logo on the polished buckle. And probably the thing I enjoy the most about this band or strap is the quick release. So you can swap out a strap so fast, carry it in your case on a holiday or vacation, and take it with you. You get a different look all the time. Another thing, back to these cases. By the way, these straps are absolutely awesome. In fact, this is my birth watch, the Mega 600, and my wife was wearing it. She likes to wear this. She absolutely loved the feel of this on her wrist. So, you know, if it passes her approval, I'm sure it's going to pass your approval. I also wanted to show you one other thing here. The room that is in these guys. So I'm going to take off my, you get a G-shhock, you have the plastic strap that's on it, comes with it. Yeah, you're gonna have plenty of room. Holes in there, very nice. I have the ballistic NATO. Look at that. It just works out. So you can take a lot of stuff along in these cases on your vacation. Hey, that's my look at the Vario travel case and Italian leather straps. Be sure to check out his webpage. It is well worth it. He has so many watch related items on there. You will not be disappointed. Hope you guys are having a great day and stay well.